It's super easy to remove the Juniper Crossflow hubcap here. Just be aware that a lot of people say to pull it from here, and you can. But you can take a tool like this, which is much easier. And what you're going to do is just put it in here and pop out the sides. And then open it up here. So let's go ahead and we'll just do that. So stick it in there, pop it, pop it. And once you have all those out, there's a clip right in the center here. So you could just grab it here, but what I do is I take the tool and I just put it in there and just twist, and it pops off. It's super easy, that's all there is to it. But look how beautiful the wheel is underneath it, and why would you want to hide this? You just have to get a hubcap, a cover right here, which I've ordered for my car, and then I won't be having these on here anymore. Let's go ahead, let's put these back on. So the one thing you want to do is just make sure you line up the air valve. So we have it in place. Now, the pointed end has to be clicked into the piece first. So I'll show you how that's done. You just twist that in there. There we go. Once we have one, let's go ahead and get this in there. And then all we do is take these, stick that in. Here you go. Definitely looks better with it off.